what makes Subcontractor Hub unique compared to other proposal financing project management tools like Aurora, Solargraph, and OpenSolar?
Yeah, you could sum it up in two ways. The biggest thing that I think will matter to a contractor is every penny counts, right? And ultimately you guys get attacked from a number of different angles to pay for software and to pay for labor, to pay for equipment. Our mission is to simplify the process and make it more affordable. So our pricing structure is such that you can have unlimited users, unlimited sales orgs, you can do unlimited proposals. When you win the deal or when the deal has glass on the roof, that's when we trigger the billing. And that's based on the finance partner. So from a savings perspective, you're going to have that. If you look at the process though, if you can sell Sonova and LightReach and GoodLead and SolRite all within one window, and you can do that without exorbitant fees in terms of proposal costs, that's a huge win. And then tying that directly into your CRM on the back end for operations is a big piece. We call that the dirty work in the industry, is the integrations, and we excel at that. We've got a dev team of over 70 people that are focused on those connections. So it makes it, to Jason's point earlier, very easy for someone to bring Scanifly and SubcontractorHub and their various tools all together. And then your team has one place to log in, and that's SubcontractorHub.